Alright, well, a few days ago I did a little intro video for the WRX because so far we've just really been posting content on the Eclipse. I'm going to be doing a bunch of different project cars and whatnot with a sports car focus on this channel. And by the way, the name Gen Z Builds, no, I'm not a Gen Z. I'm just calling it that because I'm going to focus primarily, at least for now, at least for a good while, on cars from 96 to 2012, aka Gen Z. So that's not going to do me much good throwing that out there now. I'm sure I'm going to constantly be getting, oh, you're a Gen Z, you're a Gen Z. No, the cars are, man. So anyways, I wanted to introduce all the other cars. The Challenger's gone today. Did some stuff at Rio, but it's not really sports car. Like I said, I'm going to stay sports car focused. Got the Corolla XRS over there we'll get to eventually. But as I said in the previous video on the WRX, I was going to make one here soon of the Mustang because actually, with any luck, by the time you guys are watching this thing will be sold. I'm meeting someone in a couple days who is hopefully buying it. You may ask, why am I selling my best car? Well, the WRX isn't mine, so the Mustang is my best car. That coolant, by the way, that's from the Eclipse, not from the Mustang. I'm just selling it to fund a few different things, like working on this Eclipse here, getting caught up on bills, and also some pew-pews for the other channel that I derived from to start this one. So it's a little bit of investment in myself, and it's going to help me get caught up on bills because I've got it paid down considerably compared to what I can get out of it. Then also it's going to eliminate a car payment and part of the insurance, so it's going to help out a lot monthly too. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick one over on the new channel here of it before she's gone forever. On the old channel, I'll put a link or something on the screen right now. I got like 40 videos of this car, everything I've done to it, racing it, whatnot, different things. So if you want to see what it was all about, check out the other channel. There's a Mustang playlist on that channel that has all the videos. I got all the tools and stuff out here because I just pulled out this drive shaft. This thing is like $900 new, and nobody wants to give me what this thing's worth, especially with all the work I've done to it and all the soup-up parts and even all the new parts that aren't soup-up parts in it. So pulling my drive shaft out, I'm going to keep that and get a few $100s out of that at least, so that'll help out a little bit. So it's got 373 gears. It's tuned by MPT, custom tunes, air rate, cold air intake, MMR water pump pulley there, which is now discontinued. Ported upper and lower intake manifolds by AMR, Auto Mafia Racing. It's got 170-degree stat in it. Did have that aluminum one piece in it there, but like I said, I'm keeping that. BBK headers. These are dirty, but nice little blue burnt tips, and it's got little 12-inch cherry bombs up in here. Drilled and slotted rotors with ceramic pads, all four corners. You should be able to see the orange strut back there. All new shocks and struts. Coney, I think they were. All four corners. General G-Max AS05s. These are my favorite all-season tires. They are affordable and they hook like crazy, and they do pretty good in the rain too, as long as you don't let the tread get too low. So yeah, that's the Mustang. I ran 13.5 at the local track before I did the headers and ported manifolds. Then I went back, actually ran a tick or two slower. I was not happy about that. I think that's because my tune needs revised because it's still on the previous tune before I installed those parts, but I never got around to getting a new tune on it. So mid 13s is where she was at, but I was thinking with those headers and the ported manifolds on it with the proper tune to match that it should run low 13s. So that was getting pretty close to what the GTs with 400 horsepower for this year run with the V8. They run like a 12.8, 12.9. I know some people are going to be like, oh, those will run 12 flat. Well, yeah, if you put radials on it, but I'm talking like a stock car on the stock street tires. They were a very high 12-second car. So this thing should have been real close to that, which was kind of the idea that it was going to be a sleeper. I'd always wanted to do the supercharger or the turbocharger, which would actually smoke a stock V8, and it would take quite a few parts and tune on the V8 just to keep up with this thing with a turbocharger on it. But unfortunately, I just never had the money to do that, but that would have been awesome. Anyways, that's the Mustang. I'll get a little startup rev video for you here. We'll take it down the road and do a couple pulls in it. But like I said, if you want to see a lot more of this car, just go check out the other channel and check out the Mustang playlist on that channel for all those videos. let it run for a minute before these revs, because I never rev the car on a cold engine, but these are a little raspy until the car completely warms up. As I said, guys, all the videos on this car are on the other channel. I'll put a link to that in the description. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.